So this video took a while to edit because this trip was kind of long and short all at the same time. Nevertheless, I had a lot of fun. I thank you, Chaos, for inviting me over for this kind of event and the opportunity to attend. So here it goes. All right, so I am in the airport, airport's parking lot, and headed to the terminals to head to Sofia, which is in Bulgaria. So I'll be spending next whole day flying, and we'll be spending a day there, and then spend a whole day coming back. So it'll be quite a journey, but I think this is gonna be worth it. So follow me along. Okay, so here I got denied of boarding by the airline. They claimed that I needed visa, but as United States citizen, I do not need visa to enter UK or do a layover to go to Sofia or Bulgaria. And yeah, I don't know why. They actually don't know why. The travel agency don't know why. Nobody knew why, and I just could not make that flight. That was the last flight out of Nashville. In order for me to make to the event, there's only one option, which is sort of a longer and convoluted route to get to Sofia. But I really wanted to go to this event. Therefore, I decided to get on the earliest flight possible out of Nashville to get to Sofia somehow. Even though this was a short flight, it actually felt quite long because now I am filled with excitement, but I finally got there to Sofia. As soon as I got to my room, I took a 5-minute shower and just ran to the Chaos HQ. This was not an official schedule, but we asked for the office tour so that we can check out what the HQ is like. If you can see the camera, it means it is filming. Now that I have been indoor all along, now it is time to get out there, or at least return to hotel for a short break and then go for some sightseeing. Chaos blanket and a cap that shows Chaosconnectday in this lanyard, a water bottle that I've been drinking out of, and also USB connector with all sorts of kind, and then a little key ring and a magnetic pin, and one last thing, cute Chaos tumbler. I ought to put some water in that. And I actually received this wine for traveling the longest distance. What a treat. Gotta share this with other folks. It's been a long day since I had to travel quite a lot, but got the goodies here and about to head out again for a nice tour and a dinner.
Then comes the Russian-Ottoman War, and we're free and very happy. King Simeon II. As you can clearly see by the hairstyle, he was only 6 years old back then. So as soon as the Second World War finished, the Red Army and the Communists...
Honestly, I was quite exhausted at this point due to the travels that I have done in the heat. So I wasn't able to pay a lot of attention to the tour guide, but I can tell you he was great and I got some great shots. So from here, I went to Sofia to Vienna, Vienna to Toronto, and then Toronto to Nashville, where my home is.